So, you're considering purchasing a home in the beautiful state of Colorado. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through and go over the basic steps of purchasing a home in Colorado to give you an idea about the process. And the video starts right now. So, the first step in purchasing a home in Colorado is to determine your budget and obtain a pre-approval letter from a mortgage lender. This will help you understand what you can afford and give you an idea of the homes that are within your price range. If you don't know where to start with lenders, reach out to a local real estate agent who can recommend you several in which to choose from. Now, once you have your budget in place, it's time to start searching for that dream home. This is where a good real estate agent comes in. I will sit down with you and go through the buying process to make sure you don't miss any homes in your criteria and you don't pay too much. Then, once we find that home, I will help negotiate the best deal for you. So now, once your offer is accepted on the home, it's important to have a home inspection conducted to ensure the property is in good condition, and this can uncover any potential issues and help you avoid unexpected expenses down the road. So, once we found that perfect home and negotiated the terms of the contract with the seller, it's time for an appraisal on the home and then finalize the mortgage with your lender and close the deal. This involves paying the down payment, closing costs, signing necessary paperwork, and receiving the keys to your new home. And that's it. Congratulations. You're now a Colorado homeowner. This was a down and dirty of purchasing a home in Colorado, but I hope this video was helpful and you understand the process. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'd love to answer any questions you may have. As always, I'm Garrett, realtor and partner at the group, and if you're thinking about making a move next month or next year to Northern Colorado, I'd love to help make your transition as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.